Okay, today we're going to explain step by step how to create a Google account without needing to add a phone number or two-step verification. It's a very easy and simple process, which is what we need to do to create this Google account without complications. Without needing a PC, without needing to take it to a technician. We'll show you all the steps here so you can do it exactly as we explain, with all. That said, here we're going to be asked for a Google account that we already have. This is to enter a Google account that we already have. To create a new one, we're going to click here where it says Add, Create Account. You're going to select one that's personal because this one is for kids and this one is for business. We're going to select the first one that says Personal. Here we're going to write our first name. Here we're also going to write our last name. Oh, middle name, sorry. We click Next, damn. Here we're going to put our first name, here. We're going to do the following, here we're also going to click Next. Now here we're going to put what is our date. Our date of birth here, the day here, the year we'll put here. Here we'll select the gender, we select the gender. Then we'll click here on Next, here we'll select the account that best identifies us so we don't forget it. Then we click Next, here you're going to create the password. The password can be just letters, you can add a period, a number, or a symbol if you want. I'm going to add just letters because this is a video tutorial. Once you do that, you're going to click Next. Then you're going to click here on Skip so that it's done. It's faster because if you don't want to add a phone number, this is personal. If you have a phone number on your cell phone, if you click here it will be added automatically. But let's say you don't want that phone number added. You'll click here on Skip. But if you want it added automatically, you'll click here. I'm going to click here on Skip, then you'll click here on Next. Scroll up, click here on Add. Wait a few seconds. Wait a few seconds here, we'll click Accept, we click Accept. We click here on Accept too, and now we'll see our Google account is completely created. We click here on Skip, we click on Continue, we click Skip, and it's completely created.